I'm asked that all the time. Why do we love going camping so much? And it's really difficult to express the subtleties of it all. When you hear the birds at about 4 a.m. and it's still pitch dark from your tent, and the rain's pattering on the tent, which is quite soothing. You're nice and cozy in your tent. It's lovely and quiet at night. You can hear the crickets. Even now, that early morning, that first cup of tea that you make on your gas, and it takes a long time. You have to be patient. But when you finally have your tea in the morning, that's it. The breakfast, you can make it as big as you want. You can do a full English on a simple camping gas stove, or you can just have a biscuit with your tea. It's the greenery around here, the smells. You can smell the grass here. You can see the trees. It's mountains in the background. You discover these little hidden places which you normally wouldn't go to if you go to a hotel or a resort. These are the places, nice and simple. You can make it as simple as you want or as fancy. You can do just a plain tent and a table and a chair and a fork, and there you are. And that's the beauty of it as well, the simplicity. That's hard to express. This is a top secret location. I think it's a 1 or 2 star campsite. I don't know if you are on board with this kind of camping, but this is our thing where there's nothing here. It's basic. There's no pool, there's no activities commission and all of that stuff. It's just plain and simple, very, very rustic. The ablution blocks in the background there. We've been coming here for dozens of years, and I don't think it has had any love at all, and there's hardly any warm water either. And a lot of the facilities are not up to scratch, but that's why we love it so much. That is what we need to keep. Not all this brand new stuff, just keep it nice and natural. That's why you come out here, to be in nature as well. So yeah, I hope that helps a little bit, just to express the beauty of it all and the calming nature. There's no rush for anything. You take your time, watch the sun come up over the mountains, breathe in all of this clean air. Think about that as well. So yeah, this is a little campsite on the route to Grenoble, somewhere near the Route Napoleon in southern eastern France. This is like the gateway to the Alps in effect, and as soon as you head towards Grenoble, it becomes this huge amphitheater. I think it's the Vercors area, and from there northwards towards Switzerland, Geneva, it's just mind-blowing, fantastic. And that's what we do. That's how we go car shopping. Basically, we needed some new tires, and here is our little souvenir. The old ones are nearly finished, so we thought, why not just take a little road trip to go and buy some tires in Chamonix, as you do. So there you go, guys. Look at this, man. It's just fantastic. And somebody's awake as well. I think she likes it too. So thanks for watching, guys. Get out there, go camping. Catch you on the next one. Keep rolling.